It's a lecture for class 9. Exercise is 4.7. Before starting the exercise 4.7, please open the book on page number 119 and read this topic: surds, order of surds, types of surds. When you read this topic, inshallah you will be able to do the question number 1 of exercise 4.7. If you have any problem, then call me. We will start from question number 2. In question number 2, exercise on page 122. Express the following on the simplest possible surds. The first question number 2, part 1 is given under root 12. We have taken the LCM. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2, 2 square multiplied by 3. In case of multiplication, we separate them. 2 square cancel the root, we get 2 under root 3. Now question number 3, part 1. In question number 3, part 1 is given. Simplify the following surds. Surds. Part 1, 2 minus under radical 3 in the second bracket 3 under root 5. 2 multiplied by second bracket and 1 under root 3 multiplied by second bracket. 2 into 3 give you 6. 2 into 1, 2 under root 3 minus 1 into 3, 3 under radical sign 3 minus into plus minus 3 and 5 under radical sign of 3 into 5. 6 plus 2 under root 5 minus 3 under radical sign of 3 minus under root 15. Come from here, 3 into 5, 15. Now question 4 is given in the exercise. So rationalize the denominator. It means denominator, if the root is given in the denominator, you must multiply and divide under radical sign 7. To rationalize, 1 by root 7 multiply as well as divide. We get 1 into root 7, root 7, under root 7 multiply by root 7, under root 7 square. This square cancel the radical sign. We get under root 7 divided by 7. Now question number 4, part 2. 3 divided by 45 under radical sign. 45 is 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 5, 45. Now 3 square under radical sign plus, multiply under radical sign of 5. Square this with the radical sign, we get 3 divided by 3 multiplied by root 5. This 3 and 3 cancel, we get 1 by root 5. Again, there is a radical sign in the denominator. We must multiply and divide by under root 5. 1 by root 5 multiplied by root 5 divided by root 5. We get under root 5 divided by root 5 square. This square cancel the root. We get under root 5 divided by 5. Now question number 4, part 3rd. 1 by root 2 minus 1. Again there is a radical sign in the denominator. Multiply and divide by under root 2 plus 1. We change the sign of this. Or by conjugate. We call them also conjugate. 1 by root 2 minus 1 multiplied by root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1. 1 multiplied by root 2 plus 1, same as it is. And root 2 minus 1 and root 2 plus 1, same as it is. Because in case of multiplication, we never take the LCM. Now in the denominator, we can apply a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. And root 2 plus 1, same as it is. And root 2 and root 2 and root 2 square minus plus minus 1 into 1, 1 square. This square cancel the radical sign. We get under root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1. Under root 2 plus 1, 2 minus 1 give you 1. We get under root 2 plus 1. Part 5. 1 by root 5 minus 2 plus 1 by root 5 plus 2. There is a plus sign is there. We taking the LCM. Under root 5 minus 2, under root 5 plus 2. Here is 1. Under root 5 minus 2, under root 5 minus 2 is cancelled. What is left? Under root 5 plus 2 is here. Plus 1. Denominator is under root 5 plus 2. Cancel from here. What is left? Under root 5 minus 2. Open the bracket. Under root 5 plus 2. Under 5 minus 2. Now, here is a plus. Here minus. Cancel. We get under root 5 and root 5. Both are how many? 2? 2 under root 5. 5 minus 1. 4. Sorry, 5 minus 4 give you 1. Because this square cancel the root 5 and the 2 square is 4. We get this. Now question number 5, 6, 7, 8. Onward questions are very important according to the board point of view. In the question number 5, he has given the value of x under root 5 plus 2, and he has said to find the value of x plus 1 by x and x square plus 1 by x square. X value is given. First of all, we find the value of 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to 1 by under root x plus 2. This comes from where? Let x is equal to under root 5 plus 2. We call them 1 and 1. Numerator change denominator and denominator change numerator. 1 by x, same is here. We get 1 by x equal to 1 by root 5 plus 2. Now, again, we rationalize. Why we rationalize? Because in the denominator there is under root 5. Multiply as well as divide with under root 5 minus 2. 1 multiplied by under root 5 minus 2, same it is, both are same. Apply the formula a plus b, a minus b, we get this. Square cancel the root. This square cancel the root. We get under root 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 square is 4. Now, we get 1 by x is equal to under root 5 minus 2. 5 minus 1 give you 1. 5 minus 4 give you 1. 1 by x is equal to under root 5 minus 2 is the value of 1 by x. First part, we find x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x. X, the value of x is, come from here. It's a plus. 1 by x come from here. Open the bracket. When we open the bracket, under root 5 plus 2, under root 5 minus 2, plus and minus cancel. We get under root 5 and under root 5. And under root 5, how many under roots? 2 to under root 5. Now, in the second part, we find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Squaring equation 1. X plus 1 by x whole square equal to 2 under root 5 whole square. Apply the formula a square plus b square 2ab. 2 square separate and root 5 square separate. Now, this cancel and this square cancel the radical sign. We get x square 1 by x square plus 2. 2 square is 4 into 5. 4 into 5, 20. Shifted this 2 on the right hand side, we get 18. 18 is our answer. Now question number 6. X is given. First we find 1 by x, same as we have done in the previous question. Same, but only difference is that we get minus here in the denominator. But in the previous question and we get 1 here. If we had minus here, shift this minus in the numerator. Because in the mathematics in fraction form, if you write minus here or in the minus here, same as it is. Like I give an example, like 4 by minus 3 or minus 4 by 3, both are same. Therefore, I shifted this minus in the numerator and open the bracket minus under root 2 minus plus under root 3. Now, x minus 1 by x we can find first. The value of x come from here, given in the question, and 1 by x we have found this. Open the bracket. When you open the bracket, due to this minus into plus, this plus into minus, under root 3 under root 3 cancel. Under root 2 is left, 2 under root 2. Now we find x square plus 1 by x square. Squaring this equation 1, both sides, and find it by yourself. Now it's your homework. Question number 2, part 2 and part 3. Question number 3, part 2, part 3, part 4. Question number 4, part 3, and question number 7 and question number 8 is your part homework. Question 8 is left, I will do it by myself, inshallah. Take yourself. If any problem, again in this exercise, please call me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. God bless you.